Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basis, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to add friends on NBA Live. So, for adding friends on NBA Live, first you gotta link your Facebook account with the game. And to do that, first you need to head to the game settings, and from here, just go to the link account options. From here, you can just tap on link that's beside Facebook. Now, the game will ask you to log into your Facebook account. Just follow the prompt. After you put in your credential, just tap on continue. After linking your account to Facebook, just go to Play Friends and tap on it. You will see your list of friends right here. But since I don't have any friends who play NBA Live, there are no friends in mine. So that's it on how to add friends on NBA Live Mobile. Now you can challenge your friends to a face-off. If you have any question, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.